On our star, we can see increased activity at the incoming limb. These are the sunspots from the far side that made several large eruptions over the last week, and we can also fully see the incoming dark coronal hole on the south. Its solar wind will begin to impact Earth middle of the week, and by then we'll have our eyes firmly set on the sunspots behind it. Let's go back to that filament eruption we saw yesterday morning, because now the SOHO coronagraph is fully updated, and we once again see an ultra-dense CME component. We have seen quite a few of these already this sunspot cycle. Luckily, they have not been aimed at Earth. Taking a closer look at the sunspots here, these will be the space weather focus in the coming days. We've got active regions coming in on the south and the north. Eyes on those over the next week as we take one more look at the activity peaks over on the left, looking for inclement space weather coming. Yesterday, we discussed the strange linear earthquake sequence that impacted the northern portion of South America. Today, we report on a magnitude 6.8 seismic event in Ecuador nearby to the line that did turn deadly. At least 4 have been killed in the event, and now the cleanup begins. Top story today hits solar storm-driven ozone destruction. The study looked at both the 2003 Halloween storm and the Great Charlemagne event in the 700s. They determined that that event destroyed 20% of the polar ozone, and that was when Earth's magnetic field was still strong and at nearly full power. Such an event today would have dramatic and lasting impacts on the entire globe from a climatological and existential perspective. It's the main concern from solar eruptions as the modern magnetic pole shift continues to bring down Earth's protective shield.